If you're having trouble finding replacement parts for your broken system, or if you're looking to make your existing helmet into a professional face and hearing forestry system, then this kit is for you. The Forester Helmet, Face, and Hearing Protection Kit is the only kit on the market that will comfortably fit the majority of CAPS-style safety helmets, including Forester, MSA, Bullard, Huskarvana, Steel, Pyramex, and many others. Our kit includes all the parts you need to replace your current existing system and includes a visor with rubber gasket that protects you from sun, rain, and debris, an ANSI certified full mesh forestry screen, noise-reducing earmuffs rated at 25 dB, the Forester Helmet, Face, and Hearing Protection Kit. Everything you need for the helmet, besides the helmet.